In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of PNGJPEG icons in Figma. First, open the Figma website and sign in so you can access your workspace. Go ahead and open your project where your icon lives. If you haven't imported it yet, drag your PNG or JPEG into the canvas so it sits on its own layer. We're working with raster images here, so we'll focus on adjustments that shift the overall color and mood, rather than editing vector fills. Before making any changes, duplicate the icon. This gives you a safe backup you can compare against and return to if you don't love the results. You can duplicate by selecting the icon layer and using the duplicate command or by copy and paste. Keep the original nearby or hide it so you always have a clean reference. With your duplicate selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and click on Fill. You'll see your image listed as a fill on that layer. Open the image settings to reveal the adjustment controls. These controls let you reshape the look of the icon without leaving Figma. Start with exposure to brighten or darken the overall image. A small nudge can make your color shift more noticeable. Next, use saturation to intensify or soften the colors. Increasing saturation makes hues more vivid, while lowering it pulls them toward grayscale. Adjust. Contrast to add punch or to flatten harsh differences between lights and darks, which can help your new tone feel more uniform. To actually change the color cast, use temperature and tint. Temperature pushes the image warmer or cooler. Warmer adds yellows and oranges, while cooler adds blues. Tint moves the image toward green or magenta. Together, these two sliders can create a convincing color shift even on non-vector icons. Make subtle moves and watch how the tones change across the whole icon. If your highlights are blowing out or shadows are too deep after shifting colors, fine-tune with highlights and shadows. Bringing down highlights can recover detail in bright areas, and lifting shadows can reveal detail in darker parts, keeping the icon readable at small sizes. Take your time and compare the adjusted duplicate with your original. If you overshoot, reset a slider or step back until it feels right. When you're satisfied, keep the adjusted version in place and archive the original for future use. That's all it takes to recolor a PNG or JPEG icon in Figma using simple, non-destructive adjustments.